cookies are crushed in a blender and are poured into a deep bowl. Half a cup of milk is added and is mixed until a small mixture is formed. Walnuts are cut into small pieces and are added until they are very well mixed.
The mixture is poured into a heat-safe container and it's placed into the microwave for 2 or 3 minutes so it doesn't burn. The cake is poked in the mold and 1/4 cup of chocolate milk is poured on the top. The chocolate is melted in short microwave intervals until it is completely liquid and it's used for decoration.
The melted chocolate is poured over the cake and chocolate sprinkles are added on top. A small Oreo cookie is placed as decoration and the dessert is ready.
Necesitas una mierda.